TNT first.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, can I explode it? Can I do the honors? Let's do it from the top.
Wait, I'm not recording. Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, both of us are recording. Nice. So,
Okay.
we're about to make one of the biggest explosions.
Look at this. What? Oh, you exploded it. Just go.
Holy crap! It's raining over here!
It's raining over here too. Oh no, I'm still recording. Oh my gosh!
Bro, I can't even walk on it for a second.
Bro, what the heck?
Just happened.
Bro, we gotta end crystals this time.
It's raining though, so hope this gets a lot of views and a lot of comments, and goodbye.